Hey there guys, Jason here from Off the Beaten Path. Today, first test of a new tool for the camping kit. Now, those of you that have followed the channel for a while will know I used to have a chainsaw and it went AWOL. That's all I'm going to say about that. Finally got a replacement. This bag is from Kelmatt, a good solid PVC bag, and the chainsaw is a Milwaukee. Not really surprising because Milwaukee gear is sort of what I'm setting the 76 up for. And so this is the Milwaukee 18 volt fuel. Looks like we might just be able to cut this one. This is literally the first test, first time I'm using this saw, and I wanted to see how it cuts, and I thought I'd film it. Let's see how we go. Okay, not the best wood, but this is a designated firewood collection zone, and this was a log that I could find that was here ready to be cut. Really happy with that, just letting the saw do the work and cut through. So let's try one more. So look, I don't pretend to be any kind of expert when it comes to using a chainsaw, but look, I'm really happy with that. That's a decent sized log, and yeah, it's used a bit of battery power. So this is a 5 amp hour battery, wasn't fully charged, but that's probably a much bigger log than what you'd normally be cutting for camp firewood. So yeah, look, pretty happy with that, and you'll probably see the Milwaukee in action more on some upcoming trips. Thanks for watching, guys.